Yeah, so I'm Joel Nicholls from Nicholls Excavators, owner and director of the business, and we started back in 2017. So yeah, we started off with a little digger, as I say, and just growing from there. We've just had a passion for earthworks, and that's what's driven me to get the business to where it is. Of course, it's had its ups and its downs, but wouldn't change it for anything. You know, we're up and established now and loving how it's going. So we've been working with Attach 2 for about 4 years now. Started off with all Attach 2 implements on our little digger, and we've put them on all our bigger machines now. So we run 2 heli tilts on 2 of these 14-tonne Volvos with the multi-grab bucket, the ripper, wide bucket. Virtually get every Attach 2 implement you can. I absolutely love the heli tilt. Absolute great bit of kit, that heli tilt, with the multi-grab bucket for plucking out trees, posts, anything in general. Just, you know, it gives you that flexibility to pick things up and keep it out of the way of the dipper arm of the machine, so you're not tangling up all your hoses and stuff in there. And yeah, it goes absolute great with the wide bucket, cutting back batters on water tables. You can get that perfect angle that you're looking for. Yeah, we absolutely love the shape of the Attach 2 wide bucket. It's well built. Good profile of it, you know, strong thick sides on the steel, good cutting edges. So we've run a few previous attachments, as I say, in the past, and yeah, they haven't worked out too well for us compared to Attach 2. All their products fit what we want, so absolutely wrapped with the backup service and everything that goes with it. Yeah, we absolutely love the design of the heli tilt. They're nice and compact, you know, as you can see on the machine. They're well designed. We went with the heli tilt specifically because we're going to be doing a lot of trenching, and it keeps the hitch can go down inside the trench without having to bench it out if you're going over 1 metre deep. So that was just a no-brainer for us, yeah. So I was on a job a couple of weeks back and trying to rip out some trees, and they weren't coming out too nice, so I rung the boys down to Attach 2 in the late afternoon, and was on my way down the next morning to pick up a ripper for my machine in stock, ready to go. So the supply and demand's just absolutely wonderful. Good bunch of guys, good service. Got down there, Johnny had a coffee on the table waiting for me, so yeah, couldn't be any more happier.